Some days I'm a creature of habit. I'll do the same things, eat the same foods, and usually content with a basic cheeseburger grilled over charcoal, basic ingredients. But occasionally I like to do something different, like to mix things up a little. I've got about a pound or so of ground chuck, and I'm going to go into that with just a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, about that much. And I've got some barbecue rub here that I make. I'll put a link down in the description and show you how to make that if you're interested. We'll do about that much. And I'm actually putting this inside the meat for a reason. This has got some brown sugar in it, and when I sear the burgers, I don't want it to burn, so the meat will be seasoned good and we can still get a good sear on the outside. I'm also going to add 1 packet of ranch dressing or ranch dip mix. Now just do just like you would a meatloaf or something. Just get in here with your hands and mix this up good, and then we'll patty it out. I patted these out into 1/3 pound burgers. I'm going to put them over some hot charcoal here and let them get a good sear. And I'm going to get the lid back on here before this flame gets too out of control. Both vents are wide open. So it's time to go ahead and give these a flip. Let them sear on the other side. Looking pretty decent, I think. I'm going to go ahead and move these over the other side, that way they don't get burned, because we're getting a little bit of a flame up here with the grease. I'll go ahead and put the lid on here and let these finish cooking. A lot of people will eat a burger cooked under a little. I like mine done, so you'll have to cook yours the way you want, but I'm going to give these a few minutes with the lid on, and we'll be back. So while my burgers are finishing on the grill, I've got my bacon done, and I've tried to spread a little butter on a couple buns. My butter's not softened and not spreading good, but I've got a little bit on there. I'm going to put these on the grill and toast them just a little bit. When you're cooking burgers, don't skimp out on the bun. Try to use a decent bun, and if you'll throw it on the grill and toast it for just a couple minutes, it makes a big difference. Now I'm getting ready to go out and put a little cheese on these burgers to melt. I'm using Jumping Jack. Use whatever you want. Here's where you can get creative. Now I'll just cover this up with the lid one more time. Let the cheese melt, let those burgers finish, and then we'll toast the buns, and these will be ready to put together. Man, that was good. A lot of different flavor there, just sort of coming together. It's sort of simple though. It's still easy to mix up even on a weeknight. Throw on the grill. That Jumping Jack cheese has just a little bit of heat coming in there on the back end, which is what I like. So I want you to let me know in the comments down below, what do you like to do to your burgers to make them different? What's your favorite recipe? So let me know that, and maybe I'll try some of your recipes in the future. I appreciate you watching. Please check out a few more videos and subscribe if you haven't already done so. I'll catch you in the next video. God bless you.